Welcome to Take 5. I'm Stephanie Neal, reporting today on some of the latest news that impacts how manufacturers can respond to new consumer buying behavior, specifically the multi-channel approach to sales, known as the Omnichannel, which meets customers wherever they are buying, in the store, online, or both, because you may order something on your phone and pick it up in the store. While convenient for you and me, it's a logistical nightmare for the CPG. In order to deliver products to the right channel, the warehouse needs flexible material flow. To date, that's been pretty hard to do with stationary robots that are palletizing, depalletizing, and sorting. So ABB, a company that has been growing its portfolio in the robotics and machine control areas, recently made another strategic move. In July, it announced the acquisition of ASTI Mobile Robotics Group. Based in Spain, ASTI is a provider of autonomous mobile robots known as AMRs, which include software for navigation, fleet management, and cloud-based traceability. ABB executives call this acquisition a game changer, as it first positions ABB as a company that can deliver a full automation portfolio of control, robotics, and even power and electrical equipment. For manufacturers, it provides an option for intelligent material flow, which can't be handled by conveyors alone. So in September at PACK EXPO Las Vegas, ABB demonstrated what a flexible omni-channel fulfillment center would look like and how the company's technology can help in all aspects, including filling small batch orders that are personalized to the consumer's preference. Automation World's David Greenfield spoke with ABB at PACK EXPO and was given a demonstration of how this fully automated distribution center would work. Let's take a look.
Today I'm showing you the flexible omni-channel. So to come up with automation to meet the needs of customers, consumers that are purchasing now direct to consumer business. People want to buy things and have them delivered to their house. They want to buy things, have them picked up at a store, and they want to buy things still from their store, so they end up through the logistics in the retail space. So I wanted to show you an example of a father buying presents and gifts and things for his birthday party for his son Alex. And as I mentioned, people want to buy individualized custom packages. So it's small batch orders, personalization. And so here you see this father picking some things for his birthday party. They're blue, they're red, they're green, get a white one. And when I say personalized, he puts his son's Alex's name on there. Now this is difficult for traditional warehouse distribution centers to handle. So what we're proposing is an omni-channel fulfillment center that's highly automated with robotics. This is our IRB 390. It's got a 5th axis flip. It also has a heavy payload, like 15 kilogram payload. The 5th axis version has a 10 kilogram payload. Putting this onto a ABB B&R track. This is called an Occupaz track. And you can see that the personalization is there. Next, we're using the IRB 390, which is a new robot for ABB, to do the packaging. So you can see the high Z stroke that it has, and it also has a 10 to 15 kilogram payload. In addition to the Delta style robots, we have lane changing capability to where we're taking, some of this is going to logistics like we talked about, some is going to a retail store, and some is going to a home delivery. In these types of automated distribution centers, flexibility is what's key. Here you have a collaborative ABB robot on a track that is providing the cases to be loaded onto a truck to be sent out. So from the primary plant all the way through to the delivery, ABB has solutions, including we have palletizing robots, AGVs. ABB even provides the charging stations to charge the vehicles.
While AMRs are just mentioned briefly at the end of that video, the mobile robots are an important part of the real-time flow that manages where packages will go. and it's scalable to meet the changing needs of the omnichannel. You can find more on this story in the links below. Thanks for joining me today.